So let me just show you how you can book it in 4 easy taps. One second. So as soon as you open the app, the first thing you actually see is where can we pick you up, and we want to do this in a really guided way. So you can see all of your landmarks nearby, because we noticed that most of our users are actually looking around them and trying to figure out where they want to get picked up. So you can actually pick.
It basically makes it quicker to request.
It makes it much quicker and more natural to request. And as soon as you pick your pickup location, the next thing we ask you is where do you want to get dropped off. And because I've taken trips before, you can see we have a lot of destinations already saved, and I can pick from any one of them. And as soon as you pick the destination, you see all of your vehicle choices, so you can pick from any one of these. And I'll pick Go because this is the most popular option for most of our riders, and that's it. The 4th tap is literally requesting the ride, and now we start looking for a driver.
And so how's the experience faster? How did you ensure that it loads faster and it works faster and all these options?
So what we did is we really rethought the entire experience from the ground up, and we looked at every single feature that we have and how could we really get it down to the essence of things. So at every screen we looked at what is the most important piece of information. So for example, here the biggest thing that you want to know is what's the license plate number, so you can easily find your driver. So we really highlighted that and pushed everything else out of the way. We also brought in the most common options up front, so that everything else could be somewhere else. So you can see the share status and contacting your driver. Those are the actions that users do the most.
Yeah.
So we brought that up there. You can also see you can learn more about your driver. You can see your payment information, where your pickup and your destination is, everything in one place.
And also the map hasn't loaded, right?
Yeah.
So you have an option to
yeah, and that's the other part, is that we notice that a lot of users still want to see the map, and if you want to see the map, you can still see it.
Okay.
But it's optional, and by making it optional, we make it faster to load. So once it loads, it's just like a regular map. And now it looks like you're on trip, and as soon as you're on trip, we bring in your safety controls up here, so you can get emergency access if you want to contact your family or the law enforcement agencies as well. So you tap on that and you can see all of that information up here.
Okay. So the main Uber app used to show certain offers and certain tariffs, and where there's surge, where there's not.
Yeah.
So will this as well do that?
So it's on most of the features we are on parity. So whatever you'll find there, you'll find here. In terms of like some of the features like promotions, you will see them in the same place as well, wherever you're selecting your vehicle.
Okay. So can you just show me that?
So I'll have to. Let's go through the entire trip. Our driver will drop us off, and then we can go back to the home screen.
Is there a lighter version for the driver as well?
Not yet. I think our driver product is doing great, so we're not really getting into that yet. So just to show you where you can see all of your. Sorry, I'm going to take you back. This is where you will see all of your prices as well as promotions being applied.
Okay. Yeah. All right. Thank you so much.